Car accidents can be a frightening ordeal. The memories of the accident and the trauma you sustained can live with you long after your injuries are fully healed. In some cases, accident victims can suffer a particularly debilitating mental condition known as post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. Post-traumatic stress disorder often accompanies catastrophic accidents, such as car crashes, truck accidents, and assaults. While anyone can develop PTSD after an accident, studies have shown that victims who have already been in a car accident may be at greater risk for developing PTSD. If you or a loved one has been through a traumatic car accident, it is important to recognize the signs of PTSD so you can seek medical help immediately. It is also important to contact an experienced personal injury attorney who may be able to help you receive compensation for your injuries. Signs of post-traumatic stress disorder often include avoidance, flashbacks, feelings of guilt, depression, or anxiety, hyperarousal, panic attacks, and nightmares. Even though any car crash can trigger PTSD, there are real challenges for a claimant who is trying to get compensation for this type of injury. Most victims with PTSD will display symptoms that fit into one of three categories: acute, symptoms lasting for less than 3 months; chronic, symptoms last between 3 and 6 months; or delayed, symptoms last for longer than 6 months. Unfortunately, children and the elderly are at an increased risk for developing PTSD. It is also more likely that their cases will go undiagnosed or be diagnosed later than others. After a traumatic accident, be sure you monitor you and your loved ones closely for signs of PTSD and contact your physician immediately if you believe someone is suffering from PTSD. Your doctor will be able to help you prescribe a treatment to help you combat PTSD. You may benefit from seeing a psychiatrist or psychologist to work through your feelings after an accident. Your psychiatrist can also prescribe medications to help combat debilitating depression and anxiety. If you or a loved one suffer signs of PTSD after an accident, contact Robert Paysinger. He can help you receive the compensation you need for your recovery. Call us today for a free consultation and review of your case.